What's up, guys? We're having doing an airsoft war, and the cameraman Firebird. I'm Gilly. This is Ghost, and this is just an extra person. All right, so we're playing capture flag, except it's one flag, and so whoever gets the flag brings it back to the base, wins first. And when you get shot, you have to go back to your base, wait 5 seconds, then come back, and you can come back out. Use the. Don't use the wood. Use the other thing. All right?
Time out. Time out.
Just go tie it over there. All right. Hurry up. Well, we'll tell you what guns we're using. I'm using the Z11 Zombie Eliminator. Me, the kid, and Ghost is using that gun, and Firebird is using the Z77 Zombie. Let's go! 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, well, please rate, comment, subscribe, and like. See you guys. Bye.